Next are houseflies. Species of houseflies: Musca domestica, Musca vicinea, Musca nebulo, Musca sorbens. Life history of flies. Adult, after several weeks, give eggs which last for 8 to 12 hours, and then it changes to larva first instar which lasts for 20 hours to 4 days, and then the larva first star is changes to larva second star which lasts for 24 hours to several days. After that, larval third instar is formed which lasts for 3 to 9 days, and after larva it changes to pupa which has an average life of 5 days. After pupa, a whole complete adult fly is formed after several weeks. Next is the habits of flies. First, breeding habits. Fresh horse manure, human excreta, manure of another animals, garbage, decaying fruits and vegetables, rubbish dumps containing organic matter, ground where liquid wastes are spilled. Feeding habits of flies. It vomits on solid food to make a solution of it and sucks in a liquid state. Second, sputum feces, discharge from wounds and open sources. These all are the feeding habits of the flies. Next is restlessness. Due to its restlessness, it spread of infections mechanically. Next, vomit drops. A culture A vomit drop of a fly acts as a culture of disease agent. Next is defecation. Defecation of fly deposits countless of bacteria on exposed food. Now, resting habits of flies. Tendency to rest on vertical surfaces and hanging objects. They have tendency to fly towards light also. Dispersal of flies. They remain close to their breeding places, but they disperse frequently up to 4 miles. Transmission of disease. There are many diseases which are spread by flies. Some of them are typhoid, paratyphoid, fever, diarrhea and dysentery, cholera and gastroenteritis, amoebiasis, helminthic infestations, poliomyelitis, conjunctivitis, trachoma, anthrax and yaws. Mechanical transmission of microbes which is done by flies. It transports microorganisms on their feet and hairy legs. Fly control measures. First, environmental control. Storing garbage, kitchen waste and other refuse in bins with tight lids. Efficient collection, removal and disposal of refuse by incineration, composting or sanitary landfill. Provision of sanitation, example, pit privies, septic tanks and sanitary system. Stopping open air defecation. Sanitary disposal of human excreta and stepping of journal sanitation. Second, residual sprays. It is done by DDT 5%, methoxychlor 5%, diazinon 2%, dimethoate 2.5% and phenthine 2.5%. These all are the chemicals which are used in residual sprays to control flies. Bites. Poison bites contain 1 to 2% diazinon, malathion, dichlorobos, ronel and dimethoate. Cords and ribbons. Cords and strips impregnated with diazinon, phenthine and dimethoate. Space sprays. Sprays contain Sprays containing pyrethrin and DDT or HCH. Fly papers made by mixing 2 lbs of raisins and 1 pint of castor oil which should be heated together until the mixture resembles molasses. So these all are the measures which are used to control flies. Next are rat flea. Identification features: bilateral compressed body, Body covered with bristles. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. Head bears piercing mouthparts. Thorax contains three pairs of strong legs. Life cycle of right flea. First is egg stage, second is larval stage, third is pupa stage, fourth is adult stage. This is the structure of flea. Life cycle of the flea. Firstly, eggs shed by female into the environment. These eggs are laid loosely on the host skin and soon drop off onto the ground. The eggs then hatch into the larva. After hatching, the larva can take a week to several months to pass through into its three larval stages. Larva then changes to pupa. Once mature, the larva forms a cocoon. Inside this cocoon, it becomes a pupa, and after 5 to 14 days, the pupa enters a pre adult stage that can last for a year or more. After that, adult emerge from pupa. Generally, a flea population consists of 50% eggs, 35% larva, 10% pupa, and 5% adults. This means that 95% of the flea population actually lives away from the host. So, this is the life cycle of the flea. Disease transmitted by the flea: bubonic plague, endemic typhus, and shigarrosis. Control measures: first, insecticides, which consist of DDT, diazinon spray, and malathion spray. Repellents, which consist of diethyl toluamide. Third one are rodent controls. Next are ticks. Type of ticks. There are two types of ticks. First are hard ticks and the second one are the soft ticks. Identification features of hard ticks: oval body, four pairs of legs, no antenna, head visible from above. So here the physical features of both the ticks are compared. First, on the basis of scutum. Hard ticks. In hard ticks, it covers the entire back in males, only a small portion in front in females, whereas in the soft ticks, scutum is absent. On the basis of head, hard tick. In hard ticks, head is situated at the interior end, and in the soft tick, head is lies ventrally and not seen from above. In hard ticks, spiracles are situated behind fourth coxa, and in soft ticks, spiracles are situated between 3 and 4th coxa. In hard ticks, eggs hard ticks lay several thousand, several hundred or thousand eggs in just one sitting, whereas soft ticks laid in batches of 20 to 40, 20 to 100 over the long period. Next is nifle stage. Hard ticks have only one nifle stage, whereas soft ticks has five nifle stage. Habits: hard ticks cannot stand starvation, feed night and day, whereas soft ticks can stand starvation for a year or more. Disease transmitted by hard ticks: tick typhus, viral encephalitis, hemorrhagic fever, tularemia, tick paralysis, and human babesiosis. Disease transmitted by soft ticks: relapsing fever. Important species of hard ticks: Derma center Andersoni, Haemophilus spingira. Important species of soft ticks: Ornithodorus maubata. So this is the life cycle of the ticks. Here the egg is first converted into larva, which feed on small mammals. The larva is then converted into nymph, which feed on small and medium sized mammals, and the nymph is then changed to adult male or adult female, which feeds on large or medium sized mammals and humans. Next are mites. Trombiculide mite. They are spider-like arthropod, and they are vectors of scrub typhus in Asia and South Pacific. Life cycle of mite: the egg first changes to larva, the larva then changes to nymph and then to the adult. Control measures ticks and termites. Insecticidal control DDT, malathion, lindane, etc. Environmental control cracks and services are filled up. Protection of workers protective clothing with repellents. Trombiculide mites only larval stage suck blood and transmit disease. Note, larva has only 3 pairs of legs while the adult of T-mites consist of 4 pairs of legs. So this is the difference between the adult and the larval stage of the T-mites. Next are lice, wingless ectoparasites of mammals. Second, head louse. There are some types of lice. First are head louse, body louse and pubic louse. Life cycle of the head lice. Lice egg is laid on the hair shaft. After 6 to 7 days, young louse hatches out. After 8 to 9 days, first molt. After 2 days of hatching occurs. Second molt after 5 days of hatching occurs. While after 10 days of hatching, third molt comes out which looks like adult louse. And this adult louse then become an complete adult. Now in these, female is larger than the male and after 2 days of mating, female lays first eggs. Female of lice lays 4 to 8 eggs for the next 16 days and then dies. So this is the complete life cycle of the head lice. Dissemination, direct contact, close contact with lousy or infested person. Second, overcrowding, indirect contact, acquired from clothing, bedding, combs or brushes used by lousy person. Second, lice tends to leave the host whose temperature rises above or falls below the normal. Disease which are spread by lices. Rickettsia prowazekii, Borrelia recurrentis, Rickettsia quintana due to scratching and secondary infection, epidemic typhus, relapsing fever, trench fever and dermatitis. So these are the diseases which are caused by lice. Now control of lice, insecticidal control. First, head and crab lice. The present recommended treatment is a lotion containing 0.5% malathion. The lotion should be left on for 12 to 24 hours when the hair can be washed. Malathion, if correctly used, will kill lice and nits. Dust containing carbaryl is also effective as louse powder. Second is for body lice. Since lice have become resistant to DDT and HCH, a powder containing 1% of malathion will obviously be the treatment of choice. Dust containing carbaryl may also be used. Next are bedbugs. Some species of bedbugs are Cimex lectularius, Cimex hemipterus. They are small, thin, dark brown insect, 3 to 5 mm length, 1.5 to 2.5 in breadth, head short and broad, pair of compound eye and pair of antenna, prefer human blood, blood of rats and domestic animals. And all the bedbugs are nocturnals. Remain hidden in the cracks of furniture and cracks in walls, etc. They cause irritation, local inflammation, annoyance, and loss of sleep. They are controlled by DDT, spraying Gemexane and kerosene oil. They are killed by pouring boiling water. Next are cyclopes, also known as water flea. It is a small transparent insect found in fresh water. It is an intermediate host of the guinea worm disease. Man gets infection by drinking water and contaminated with cyclopes. They can be easily strained and killed by boiling water. Next are rodents. Rodents cause great damage to buildings, crops, foodstuffs, and also transmit disease like plague. There are two types of rodents. First, domestic. Example of domestic rodents are house rat and sewer rat. Second, wild rats. Wild rats damage crops, fertile lands, and banks of the water by making burrows. Disease spread by rodents like plague, rat bite fever, leptospirosis, encephalitis, scrub typhus, and amoebiasis, etc.